Hi guys, it's Jim from Denbighshire Youth Service. I hope you're well, enjoying your well-earned summer break and looking forward to venturing up to your chosen secondary schools come September. Now, as a youth service, we've obviously recognised that many of you missed that transition period where you would have gone up to your chosen secondary school probably 2 or 3 or 4 days to experience what their school's like, who the teachers are, meet new people, and just to find out the things about school. So as a youth service, what we're providing is some resources and activities which you can access over our social media platforms. These will be focusing on 4 key areas, which are feelings, change, active, and learning. Today's theme is all about being active. And when we went into lockdown, up to sort of end of June, really, once restrictions eased, I was constantly uploading some Jim's Back Garden games on our Facebook site, and sometimes it was on our Twitter site as well. So these were providing physical activities and obviously challenges most of all. Now, I've been looking on various other sites and I've seen loads and loads of online trick shots that young people have uploaded and put on those sites. Absolutely fantastic, and they've been so creative. What we're looking to do is we're asking you, obviously with your parents' permission, is if you can provide a fantastic trick shot and then upload it onto one of our social media platforms, okay, by Tuesday the 11th of August. We will then on Wednesday the 12th of August decide which one that we feel is the winner, and the person that wins will win a football shirt of their choice. So what I'm looking forward to is seeing all your creative videos, okay? And don't forget, what we're looking for, guys, is trick shots and challenges. Have a good summer. Take care. Don't forget to keep watching Wednesdays, 1 o'clock, from all our social media sites. And also there will be information, okay, on our site regarding some summer activities which are throughout county. Okay, so there's a lot going on in the Rail, Prestatyn, Ruthin and Denbigh area all the way through till the end of August. So keep looking on the sites. Okay, these will inform you of which activities are taking place and where. Okay, take care and keep in touch. Okay, and keep in contact and keep watching. Thank you.